Popcaan lifestyle and the journey of a dancehall icon. Andrae Hugh Sutherland, known professionally as Popcaan, has emerged as one of the most influential figures in contemporary dancehall music. Born on July 19, 1988, in Saint Thomas Parish, Jamaica, Popcaan's journey from the streets of Portmore to international stardom is a testament to his talent, resilience, and relentless pursuit of musical excellence. Popcaan grew up in a housing scheme known as Gangsta City, an environment fraught with challenges that shaped his formative years. He described his childhood as rough, having to abandon his schooling due to the pervasive street drama in his town. Despite these hardships, Popcaan found solace in music. His stage name was given by his close friend Scumpy, who tragically lost his life to street violence. This early encounter with loss and adversity deeply influenced Popcaan's music and his determination to succeed. In 2007, Popcaan's life took a pivotal turn when he approached Vybz Cartel at a local jam called My Scheme. Cartel, a prominent figure in dancehall, recognized Popcaan's potential and recruited him to his Portmore Empire music group. This mentorship was instrumental in Popcaan's development as an artist. Cartel not only introduced him to the music industry, but also took him on major shows like Sting and Reggae Sumfest, giving him valuable exposure. Popcaan began his professional music career with the Digihame Productions, working closely with then in-house producer Not Nice. His early hits, including Gal Wine, It Na Work So, Jaja Protect Me, and Hot Grabba, quickly gained popularity. However, it was the 2010 collaboration with Vybz Cartel on the song Clarks that catapulted Popcaan to international fame. The song, an ode to the British shoe brand, resonated widely and even caused a spike in Clarks sales in Jamaica. This success earned Popcaan several accolades, including the Excellence in Music and Entertainment (YEMI) Award for Best New Artist and Collaboration of the Year. Building on this momentum, Popcaan released a mixtape, E-Change, in early 2012, followed by the hit single Only Man She Want, which marked his first entry on the Billboard Hot R&B/Hip Hop Songs chart. The song's success was further amplified by a remix featuring rapper Busta Rhymes. Popcaan's growing influence was evident as he won multiple awards at the Youth View Awards, including Favorite Summer Song for Raven and Young, Hot and Hype Male of the Year. Popcaan's career continued to ascend as he toured extensively across Europe, Canada, the Caribbean, and South America. His connection with Canadian rapper Drake, who admired his work, led to significant collaborations. In 2014, Popcaan signed a multi-record deal with Mixback Records, releasing his debut studio album, Where We Come From, which received critical acclaim and featured the hit single, Everything Nice. The following years saw Popcaan's star rise even higher. He appeared on the cover of the Fader magazine, collaborated with artists like Melissa Steele and Pusha T, and earned multiple MOBO Award nominations, winning in 2015 and 2016. His feature on Jamie XX's I Know There's Gonna Be Good Times and Aluna George's I'm in Control further cemented his international presence. In 2016, Popcaan joined forces with Drake's OVO Sound and Warner Records, a move that expanded his reach and influence. His 2018 album, Forever, showcased his versatility and growth as an artist, featuring singles like Body's So Good and Wine for Me. The album's release was celebrated with a live stream hosted by Boiler Room and a headlining performance at Reggae Sumfest. Popcaan's collaborations continued to flourish, with notable contributions to Gorillaz, Saturn's Bars, and appearances on Drake's Boy Meets World Tour. In December 2018, Drake announced Popcaan's official signing to OVO Sound and his subsequent projects, including the album Vanquish and the EP Link Up, featured high-profile collaborations with artists like Wiz Khalifa, Davido, and French Montana. In January 2023, Popcaan released his fourth album, Great Is He, under OVO Sound, which debuted on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart at number 3. This album, like his previous works, showcased his ability to blend dancehall rhythms with contemporary sounds, appealing to a global audience. Popcaan's impact on the dancehall genre and his contributions to Jamaican music are undeniable.